Looking for the perfect security OS and torn between Qubes and Kaylee? Well, I dove deep into both and discovered something shocking. One turns you into a hacking wizard, the other makes you bulletproof, but using the wrong one could leave you completely exposed. First up, Qubes OS, Edward Snowden's rumored choice, and the Fort Knox of operating systems. This security beast compartmentalizes everything using virtual machines. Every app runs in its own isolated VM with different colored borders. Red for untrusted, green for secure. It's like having multiple computers that can't spy on each other. Here's the catch. You need serious hardware. Minimum 16 gigabytes RAM, preferably 32 gigabytes, and the learning curve is steeper than Mount Everest. But if someone hacks one VM, the others stay completely safe. Perfect for journalists, activists, or anyone defending against nation-state attacks. Then there's Kali Linux, the hacker's Swiss Army knife that comes loaded with over 600 penetration testing tools. Based on Debian and named after the Hindu goddess of destruction, how cool is that? This bad boy is built for one thing: finding security holes before the bad guys do. Network analysis, digital forensics, penetration testing. It's got everything a security professional needs. The crazy part? It runs on almost anything, from your laptop to a Raspberry Pi. Hardware requirements are minimal, but here's the thing: it's not meant for daily use. Try browsing Facebook on it, and you'll look suspicious as hell. Perfect for cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, or anyone who needs to test network security. Here's the bottom line after extensive testing: these systems serve completely different purposes. It's like comparing a tank to a fighter jet. Choose Qubes if you need maximum personal security, have powerful hardware, and want to compartmentalize your digital life. It's your personal fortress. Choose Kali if you're in cybersecurity, need penetration testing tools, or want to find vulnerabilities. It's your offensive security weapon. Pro tip: you can actually run Kali inside Qubes for the ultimate combo of security and offensive tools. If this just saved you from picking the wrong OS, smash that subscribe button. I'm revealing more security secrets that'll blow your mind.